This is a black rice salad dish.
Okay.
This is black rice, this is not Jean-Jean.
It's not the mushroom-based, primarily Haitian rice. It's just black rice.
Black rice, grown black, milled black.
What's the taste like? Is it nutty? Is
It's nutty. If I had a spoon, I would feed it to you, but
we don't have a spoon yet.
no, not
we'll
yet.
have one soon.
So over here is just like a basic coconut dressing. So like highly fat coconut milk.
Full fat.
Full fat, you need that. Some ginger.
Has grounded ginger.
Yeah, ground. Some honey. And if you don't like...
Could that be maple syrup or something?
It could be maple syrup.
You're not sure.
If you want it to be.
Okay.
Some seasoned rice wine vinegar. And what I mean like seasoned rice wine vinegar, it has a little bit of sugar, has a little bit of salt, freshly squeezed lime juice, some salt, and then you just grate some orange zest here, right? And
it's a good zester.
Yeah, it's a great zester. You brought it.
BU's culinary arts program.
And then...
Okay, so that's your basic dressing.
Mix this up for me.
Of course.
And a little bit of black pepper.
Okay, black pepper. Good.
Okay. And then over here, you can go many different ways. This dressing has some sweetness to it. It has some fat to it, not butter fat, but fat from the coconut milk. And that's really important when you guys buy coconut milk. You want to buy coconut milk with high fat content.
Full fat.
Right? And you could take that can of coconut milk if you want to, and you could put it in your fridge. Oh, great job.
Thank you.
You could put it in your fridge, and you could let the coconut milk kind of rise to the top, and then you can spoon the fat out, and then you would get the coconut kind of milk or water at the bottom to kind of separate it if you wanted to do something like that. And
so the cream on top is used, and then the rest, okay.
So then over here we have our black rice, right?
And this was just cooked?
Cooked.
Seasoned after?
Seasoned after. We have some scallions, some endive. I love endive.
And of course you wash that, right?
What?
The rice.
Yeah, of course.
I'm just checking.
We washed this rice.
We did.
BU washed the rice.
Trust me, BU did wash the rice.
Some mangoes. And let's say you're not a mango lover, you can go pineapple here.
So tropical fruit of some sort, some sweetness.
Fruit. And also like when you're cooking, you want to cook with a little bit of color, right? Then we're gonna add in some cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
In the summertime, these could be heirloom tomatoes. We're gonna add in some radicchio for bitterness.
Right. Crunch.
I'm not a big radicchio fan, but it works here. And then I use two types of basil. I use regular Italian basil, and I use Thai basil, right? And I think the best way for basil is that you want to just tear it with your hands.
No fancy chiffonade?
No fancy chiffonade. You want those big pieces.
Okay.
This is a great activity for like somebody in the kitchen that you want to boss around. My mother-in-law, when I cook with her during Thanksgiving, she bosses me around. I'm her sous chef, and she tells me, "This is my kitchen. It's not your kitchen." And I would be tearing her basil for her, not something that I would want to do. And then you kind of mix this around like this, add a little salt.
Why two types of basil?
Oh, because the great thing about Thai basil is Thai basil is going to give you that like essence of mint and basil together. And maybe like a little, like if you don't like cilantro, a lot of people that don't like cilantro, I say you can go to Thai basil because they're going to give you a little bit of it.
Right.
And the Italian basil gives you some of that sweetness and freshness. Okay. And then you kind of just pour this dressing over top.
Okay. And is this a chilled, room temperature? Like
I say yes. You can marinate this. So you could put this out right now. Like, it'd be great. But I would mix this just like this.
The colors, right?
Put it in a little saran wrap. Put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes.
Just sit so it can
just
marry.
Absorb it, right. And if you were gonna let it marry, you can put the herbs in after you take it out, because you don't want the herbs to turn brown from the citrus
to wilt, okay.
To in the dressing, and that's really it. And then you got your cashews for a little crunch.
Yum.
I feel like I'm on like a late night TV show with you right now. And your little crunch here.
Not a bad idea. Coming to Boston soon.
And there you go.
So this is so much color.
Let me see. Not bad.
Yeah? I mean, I made it.
Yes, you did. And if you want, you can add chilies in here for spice. You can add chili oil. You can go a lot of different routes.
That's my food.
You can also
lunch.
slice some chicken, put this on top. But this is why I love rice.
It's like summer.
Rice makes your life easier. You have Monday, you made this on Sunday, and now you have it left over, and most of us don't know what to do with rice the next day. And you can use it in salads, you can put this in your waffles. There's so many things you can do, and that's also what Simple Art of Rice really shows you.
This tastes like summer.
Summer is coming.
Well, let's get spring first. Let's get spring first. Chef, thank you so much. This is delicious, actually.
Thank you
Gonna have
everybody
some
for
of my
coming,
dinner.
it really means a lot to me. Thank you very much.